Cricket. Timu y'eggwanga eya cricket w'abawala bali wansi emyaka 19 enyinyitizza okutendekebwa kwayo wali ku Entebbe Cricket Oval.
Come on. Nice fielding, nice fielding.
Abawala bano beteekera kwolekera Botswana sabbiiti ejja okuvuganya mu mpaka ezisookedde eddala ez'okusunsulamu abaneta mu World Cup w'abali wansi emyaka 19 ng'ez'okusunsulamu zino zaakugibwako akawonge nakusa mwezi lumu omwezi ogw'omwenda okutuusa nga 13.
Tanzania. This is the first ever under-19 World Cup qualifier, and all the countries that I've just mentioned are all in the moods of playing in the World Cup. It will be the first ever under-19 World Cup. So everyone is in top gears to say that they qualify. It's only one slot. That's why you're seeing the intensity here. The girls are working out hard, and we hope for the best.
Timu y'abawala 17 be bali mu nkambi nga bayingira enkambi okuva nga nakusa mwezi 14 omwezi guno era nga bakulangirira 14 kwabo abagenda okugenda mu ggwanga lya Botswana. Omutendesi Yusuf Nanga nga yambibwako Ivan Kakande agamba tiimu eno eri mu mbeera nnungi.
This is our second week in camp, though we were here before when we reduced the squad from 27 to 18 players. So this camp has helped us in a way that the kids have bonded together, they have played together, they know each other, and you know cricket is a team game, so it requires team spirit. So we've worked on bowling, batting and fielding, which are the most key sections of this game of cricket.
Uganda yateekebwa mu kibinja B n'amawanga okuli Botswana, Namibia, Kosasila